So in
Mm.
your job, how much of your day do you think you spend actually writing code?
Yeah, so it depends really. Most of the time, I wouldn't say I actually spend like people might have this kind of assumption that coders are like constantly just like on their keyboards, just like hammering out code. It's just like looking at the matrix or something, you know what I mean? It's really not that, and a lot of it I would say is actually reading and just purely understanding like what you're actually writing, but also like what other people have written. So like a lot of this work we do at Hive is actually just like reviewing each other's code. So like this is all part of like a code review process basically. Yeah, and that does take up a fairly significant amount of time, but it's quite like good because we can kind of like make each other's code better, and like we're kind of always like keeping on top of kind of the code as a whole, rather than like thinking I have this like one thing I need to deliver, and I'm just going to ignore everyone else whilst I'm just getting that done. That's like not how it really works. And if you want to like run an efficient team, you want to like be able to actually have that kind of redundancy and have people know about everything, rather than like people that just like try and just get their single part of the system done.
Yeah,
So
for
yeah,
sure.
like I'd say it's about 30% coding, 40% like reading,
Yeah.
understanding, and then there's like 30% for like communicating and talking to other people on the team, and all the other stuff that you have to do in your job that isn't like actually producing something.